I will show you 10-second start time. Okay, this 0. This one blinking. When you press foot brake, it is blinking. Hold this. Don't release your. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe I counted fastly. Almost 10 seconds. Unlock. Only blue light. Start button. ACC. Okay, check this. ACC. Yes. On. In. On. Off. Okay. Now let me show you open trunk. How to meet the button. This is signal like how this. It will change. The value will change. It means trunk open is working. How? Yeah, signal. Press up is default setting, PK is working. Now I enable the dot hand function. I press down the first one. Okay. Now, yes. Unlock. When I press the one, press up, nothing. Press down. Yes, working, and not working. This is the product. I will show you PKE and dot hand function. PKE. This blue light is blinking. It means this PKE is working. And this blue, this is dot hand function. Lock, unlock. I take this marker away. Yes. PKE is working. Okay. Press down the first one. Okay. Now, yes. Unlock. Lock. Press up is default setting. PK is working. Now I enable the dot hand function. I press down the first one. Okay. Now, yes. Unlock. When I press the one, press up, nothing. Press down. Yes, working. Yes. Okay. Dot hand unlock. I forget to dot hand unlock. This mark away from here. If this is off, this is on. If this is on, never lock. Back. Okay, I go back. This is keeping on. It means you forget to knock by pressing dot hand. It never knock. Now, if you want to get knock, you knock. If you forget pressing dot hand, pressing the BIP4, press down. Okay, down. Unlock. Okay, just mark away from here. If the auto knock valid setting. Right. This is dot hand function. When I get close to the car, this light is also off. It doesn't work. Also, you must press unlock. Yes. This is handbrake. You must connect handbrake where to the ground. Okay, now I press the lock button 3 times. It is start. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start here. The first time and the second time. 1, 2, 3. Yes. And the third time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Almost 4.2 seconds. the start time is calculated one by one gradually. I will show you remote start. 1, 2, 3, yes. Okay. Start. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Off. Yes, working. When it ends off, yes, working. Now I press the 6th switch, press down, disable this function. Now let me start. Okay, start. After almost 10 seconds, you press the foot brake. If this actuator doesn't move, it means this function is working. Your change is successful. Now it starts. I touch foot brake. No response, nothing.